Need to finalise your project? Hit Confirm Order Details from your cart. This takes you to the confirmation screen for an overall pricing breakdown, inclusive of any additional fees or delivery costs that have been applied. After confirming pricing, your main requirement before you can submit your job is to review and confirm the details of your job details PDF. This PDF will contain all the specs, products, and even QR codes for 3D models. Your PDF is accessible at any stage of your project, and it's important to familiarise yourself with it. Think of it as your project's ultimate guidebook. It's packed with all the accurate details about your order and the products that you've added. At the beginning of the PDF, you'll see the basics of the job, like the job number, project name, and description. Moving on, the PDF is organised so you can find everything easily. If your project covers different rooms, each room's products are listed separately. This makes it easy to see what goes where. For each product, you'll get a clear breakdown of what it is, what it's made of, and other important details. Adding an interactive layer, each product includes a QR code that, when clicked or scanned, reveals a 3D model of the product, offering a dynamic way to visualize your selections. The document concludes with a concise summary and index of your project, enhanced with simple hyperlinks for quick navigation to relevant sections. Double-check each section for accuracy. If all's good, confirm you've reviewed it and send it off.